Now, one thing with beans and peas, you have to go through these. And it even tells you on the back here, peas are a natural agricultural product. It actually says it right here. Despite use of modern cleaning equipment, it is not always possible to remove all foreign material. Sort and rinse peas before cooking. And so sometimes you can find pebbles in these, or one that just doesn't look so nice. So it would help if I had my scissors. But we're just going to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go ahead and pour these into a bowl. And I'm going to start sorting these. Actually, you know what? It'll be better if these were on the plate, and then I'll put them in the bowl. Yeah, because you do want to make sure, because we don't want anyone to accidentally bite into a rock. Because that would not be pleasant. So these are ready to be rinsed, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back now. So I got my clean beans or black-eyed peas in here. I'm going to add enough water to cover them. So I'm going to guess that's about 6 cups of water. So it's covering them. And then I'm going to add some Joel bacon. Or as they say, what is smoked pork jaw bacon. So this is actually from the jaw of the pig. You add just a little bit. I'm actually not going to add this whole thing, just about half of it. You don't need the whole thing in that. Because with Joel bacon, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to go ahead and cut about this much to put in there. I'll cut just a little bit more so break up a little bit. And then that way if somebody wants a little bit of this, they can get a little bit and not the whole thing. All right, so now that I have the bacon in there, the Joel bacon, or whatever they call it. I call it Joel bacon. What we're going to do next is we're going to simmer this for 1.5 to 2 hours until the beans are at the right consistency. All right, and you know, we want them soft. We don't want anything hard in the middle there. So I'm not going to salt those yet because first of all, this has some salt in it already, and people always say you don't salt your beans until after they're cooked, something about tenderness. So let me go ahead and get these on the stove. Alright, so if you want to know if your peas are done, you just get one out and you can either taste it or just mash it with your finger to make sure there's no hard spot in the middle. And once it can be mashed like that, guess what? It's done and ready to go. Alright, so my black-eyed peas are done. And Lucas here, he's going to have a little bit. Now, black-eyed peas are traditionally served on New Year's, and they represent luck. So they're typically eaten. It's supposed to bring you luck throughout the new year. And so that's also served with a bit of cornbread. Lucas, do you know why they put the fat in there?
Why?
Well, the pig fat represents richness. And, but also the beans, they are an incomplete protein. And when you add that little bit of meat in there, that makes it a complete protein. But you can also make it a complete protein. Instead of adding meat, if you add rice, that will make it a better protein for your body too. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I hope you enjoyed my New Year foods. And I wish you a happy new year in the coming year 2019. I wish you all the happiness in the world. I hope all your dreams come true and you are blessed greatly in the new year. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner.